Its accessories include cloth upholstery, intermittent windshield wipers and a trailer towing package. And for your enjoyment and convenience, this vehicle comes with satellite radio, a trip computer and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption and its range, based on its remaining fuel. This 3500 has comfortable khaki cloth 40/20/40 bench seats, and for the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has also been equipped with child safety locks, fog lamps and a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.